All right, so we are on to day number 2. And I really just want to start the video off just by saying thank you. You guys have been tremendous in your support. Obviously, again, like I talked about yesterday, this is just grass, but it's still not something that, we wanted to be dealing with. But so let's walk down here and talk about kind of where we are and what's going on and kind of give you guys an update. So again, thank you so much for all the love and support. But you talk about, my wife always gives me a hard time about being empathetic. There's a difference between being empathetic and sympathetic. And I know a lot of you guys are reaching out just because you understand kind of what I'm going through. And I know you're glad it's not you, but it is what it is. So here we are. This is the HDD thing I was telling you guys about yesterday. This is a horizontal drilling device. This is what you see going down the interstate. Here, let's walk around. And I'm just fascinated by this machine. It's actually really, really cool. It basically just pushes a drill underground and they're running it from one side all the way to the other. It's got a little head on it that they can adjust the depth and move left and right. It's got a little device that the guy stands out while they're pushing this drill through the ground. They track where it's going and can go up to 500 feet before it has to come back up, because that's all the pipe that they have on this machine. But it's just really, really cool. So looking down in here, it's kind of in the hole. Uses water, so then they pump the water out. But there's the actual gas line. That's actually what they're gonna tap into. So right now the guys are coming out on the other end. They're gonna hook the pipe up and they'll actually drag the pipe back up this way, and then that's where they'll hook up into the gas line. It looks a lot worse than what it is. The guys, again, did a phenomenal job. They've got plastic down so that we can backfill all of the dirt. Yeah, so it looks a lot worse than I think what it really is. I do have a little bit of damage to report. They did hit some funny pipe, so I've got the I guess a T connection that runs from that head over here. There is a cable line that runs right through here, and when they were digging this, they hit the funny pipe. So not a big deal. Funny pipe can be repaired pretty easily, but you guys see they pulled out some of the sod, so they'll be able to put the sod right back on top of this. Again, not ideal, but it looks a lot worse than what it really is. But you look at the rest of the lawn, and it's not, there's no damage, right? Because the pipe is well underneath the ground and just pops up on the other side. So that's just kind of what we're looking like today. They said that they'll be able to probably finish drilling today and be able to backfill everything. Again, I reminded them about the importance of making sure they do not put down grass seed or put down any straw. He reassured me again that that is not going to happen, so that makes me feel really good. Funny pipe, not a big deal. There's no wires that run to this. Again, all of the wiring runs from the control box inside my house to the valve boxes here, and then everything else is just hard pipe or funny pipe, and so don't have to worry about any wires. So we'll make sure that this gets hooked up correctly. But yeah, it looks bad. It's not fun. This is not the way we wanted to start the year, but as I told you guys, it's just grass. We're gonna get it all fixed up. So make sure you stay tuned, because the next video we're gonna talk about fixing all of this and how we're gonna get this lawn back to looking great. So again, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. I really do appreciate it. It is what it is. At the end of the day, it's just grass. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.